In today's Kim's adventure, we're having breakfast at the Swinging Bridge picnic area in Yosemite National Park. On this episode, we'll find out how this bridge got its unusual name, and why I consider this the best swimming spot for any family with young children. By the way, if you could take the time to smash that like button, it would really help out the channel. So let's get started. As the name suggests, the swinging bridge used to be a suspension bridge that would swing. In 1964, it got damaged in a flood and was then replaced by this not-so-swinging bridge. Nonetheless, this area offers a great view of Yosemite Falls and provides a swimming location that's often shallow enough for young children. Before going on to explore, we decided to have some breakfast.
We are just here eating some heritage flakes. Out here in Yosemite. My taste buds are in overdrive right now. So good.
One thing to note about eating here is that there was a constant presence of yellow jackets. But we quickly ate our meal and got ready to see what the swinging bridge had to offer.
Okay, we are now walking, finished our breakfast, and are now walking across the swinging bridge. The swinging bridge is a very short walk, not too long. I would say about a couple minutes across. And as soon as you exit the other side, you are presented by a beautiful meadow. That's so beautiful.
Visitors can continue to go on the 1.2-mile trail that's relatively easy to complete. But the kids decide to stay near the river and skip some rocks. I can't express how crazy the view was from the bridge. You get a front row seat of Yosemite Falls. I mean, look at it! It's freaking awesome! Why do these kids continue to skip rocks? Can you guys just turn your heads a little to the left? When we came to the swinging bridge, we really just expected to get a nice meal in a scenic location. When I saw the view, combined with the perfect spot for my kids to swim, I knew I needed to make a second visit. Next time, we'd have to bring our friends to enjoy a nice dip on a hot day.
This is our third and final day, and we decided to stop by again at the swinging bridge. Swinging bridge, take a dip, and enjoy ourselves. There's my buddy.
I gotta thank our friends for organizing this Yosemite trip. I came once before when I was a little kid. It was a bus tour and we literally only stopped for 10 minutes. And they're skipping rocks again. You know, life can be a challenge, so it's really nice to have a place like this to remind us that God is truly awesome. I mean, look at them. No tablets or video games, just nature in all its glory. Modern life is in many ways a distraction from what's important. When it comes down to it, just having gratitude to our Creator and cherishing moments with our loved ones is all we really need. I think I must have been at that river for a few hours. We were all content to just stay there for as long as we could manage. Look at our friend. She was in pure bliss. We met them through homeschooling and we're glad we did. Overall, it was a great time near the river. To this day, the kids still remind me of all the fun they had at Yosemite National Park. Especially this dragonfly that kept flying on top of my wife's head.
Everybody's just coming out of the river. It's projected to be 106 today. And but you know what? They had a great time. They had a great time, made some friends. Getting wet. And look at that. Hot day, and look at all the people cooling off in the Merced River. And little Ellie got very cold because she has a tiny, tiny body. Right? Tiny, tiny body.
We spent the last 20 minutes drying off at the picnic area. It was a great 3 days here, but it wasn't enough time to explore the entire park. When my kids are older, we'll come back and do some of the more difficult hikes.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.